Hello everyone, today we're going to go over how to use the IBM Events mobile app for IBM World of Watson 2016. The first thing we're going to want to do after we've downloaded the app is to sign in. So we're going to launch the app and then click World of Watson 2016. We'll be redirected to the IBM ID sign-in page. All you need to do is enter the same credentials that you did when you registered for the conference. Your IBM ID and then the password associated with that ID. Once you've been authenticated into the app, it's going to bring you to the My Profile section after a couple of welcome screens. From here, you'll be able to edit your profile and tell other attendees a little bit more about yourself, as well as configure your privacy settings. Simply click View My Profile and then Edit Profile. You can either edit it manually or use the LinkedIn API. This allows you to import your photo, your company information, and your biography. But we can also do this manually, so that's what I'm going to do right here. I can put in my bio, I manage the IBM Events mobile app, and click Save, and then users will know that about me. I can also click to edit my tags. We've pre-populated a couple of tags based on what you self-selected at registration, but you can also add other things. I'm defaulted to IBM here, but I can also add Watson, for instance. These tags will come in handy a little later when we're looking to connect with other attendees. You can also add a profile picture. I'm not going to do that right now, but it is very easy to do. One last quick note for you on the IBM Events mobile app is you can also configure your privacy settings by just going to the settings area to opt in for the attendee list, allowing direct messages from other attendees, and enabling location alerts. We recommend that you keep these features on as it truly does enhance the attendee experience. Your registration code is also available from within the IBM Events mobile app. Simply bring up the registration code when you go to registration and you'll be able to check in very quickly. The next thing we're going to want to do is add some sessions. This is the real meat of what we're doing via the mobile app. To do that, we've got a couple of ways. One is to simply click the Schedule button. You can check out all of what's going on at World of Watson or choose a few filters. The filter button at the bottom right can help you with this. You can filter by category, audience, industries, level, or session type. I'm going to start by simply filtering on all keynotes. And by doing that, all I'm going to see is keynotes throughout the week. You'll notice that I have a couple of sessions added to my agenda already. Those came from the IBM World of Watson Session Expert. If you built an agenda using the IBM World of Watson Session Expert, they will automatically appear right in the IBM Events mobile app. After you've added a couple of sessions, you can do this simply by clicking plus. You can find your full schedule over on the My Schedule section. You can see your entire list in chronological order of what you've added for the event. When you click into a session, it's really easy to see who's speaking, where the session is, and a description of the session itself. If you want to learn more about a speaker, you can simply click on the speaker and see any other sessions that they happen to be involved in. You can also see any tags associated with the session to explore more on a certain topic. You can also add a personal calendar reminder. This allows you to bypass the IBM Events mobile app and simply work off of your existing device calendar. One other note, although it's not available yet but will be by the time of the event, is that by clicking the location of the session, you will be able to route yourself there using geolocation services. Look forward to that feature coming soon. If you want to export your list of sessions via email, you can click the Export button, and you can also favorite speakers, exhibitors, attendees, and venues. Simply click one of them, or all of them, or none of them, or some of them, and you can click OK, and you can email anything that you've favorited to yourself, or to another person if you want to share your agenda. Another way to add sessions to your agenda is to check out the Watson Recommends tab. Watson Recommends uses advanced analytics, cognitive-powered tools to help recommend sessions based on your profile and the sessions that you add. You'll notice that there will be a very simple text statement. Watson recommends this based on your user profile, but as the event goes on, you'll see some of those text statements change. Some of them might be based on your peers' agendas or the agenda that you build. Just by clicking the session itself, you can also see information about the session. And again, to register for a session, just click the plus button. You can also check out exhibitors and their location on the show floor by visiting the exhibitors section. You can click on any of the categories, such as Rocket, in the marquee section, and you can learn more about them. In addition, you'll be able to locate your way there. Conference details is a super helpful area where you can learn more about what's going on at the event, such as registration and help desk, general information, transportation, and more. Think of this like the newspaper or the conference guide, all in your pocket right here. You can also browse other attendees using the IBM Events mobile app. Remember when we added tags just a little bit earlier? Well, using those tags, we've come up with a recommendation service so that people that match on the most amount of tags with you will bubble to the top in the recommended section. But you can also search for attendees just by clicking over to the attendee section in the middle. And if you happen to be in the Cognitive Concourse, you can click the Around Me button to see who else is nearby. The last thing to note is the activity stream. This is an embedded social network for the conference itself. You can post your own status, pictures, and anything else that you're interested in sharing. You can post statuses, pictures, and anything else that you're interested in sharing right here in the activity stream section. So go ahead and start building your agenda today using the IBM Events mobile app for IBM World of Watson 2016.